Welcome to ASCII Geek.
Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of ASCII Geek,
where we build your next advantage with tomorrow's technology. And today, one of our experts is stepping in to show our latest breakthrough. Enjoy and happy learning.
All right, today we're going to move past all the AI hype and actually get our hands dirty. We're not just chatting with an AI anymore. We're going to build a persistent, powerful AI employee with Claude. And I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. Most users treat AI like a search engine, sending a prompt and waiting for a response. Today, we're moving toward level 5, building autonomous systems that run locally in the background. Take a typical HR department. The moment a job posting goes live, they face an avalanche of resumes. Companies often spend hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars every week on the manual labor of opening, reading, and grading these applications one at a time. To solve this, we're engineering an HR ghost employee, an AI agent that lives on your local machine to handle the heavy lift recruitment pipeline. Automation consultants and agencies regularly charge $5,000 to $10,000 a month on retainer to deploy systems like the one we're building right now. Managing high-volume data requires moving past one-off prompts. Success depends on architecting a persistent, locally hosted AI employee that processes the workload while you're away from the desk. The DBS framework provides the structural blueprint for this operating system. As shown in this schematic, the architecture relies on 3 layers: direction, blueprints, and solutions. The direction layer acts as the brain. This is a markdown file called skill.md that contains the step-by-step logic tree the AI must follow to complete the task. This layer enforces hard operational constraints. You can program the logic tree so the AI cannot email a candidate until a human provides an explicit approval. The blueprints layer serves as the system's memory. By providing static files like brand guides and ideal candidate profiles, we ensure the agent evaluates resumes using your specific criteria rather than generic logic. Finally, the solutions layer provides the hands. These are the Python scripts and tool connectors that perform actions natural language generation cannot achieve on its own. These solutions allow the agent to reach into your file system, rip raw data out of local PDF resumes, and write that information into a formatted spreadsheet. Stacking direction, blueprints, and solutions builds an AI system constrained by your rules, informed by proprietary memory, and capable of executing specific technical tasks. To achieve this level of control, we have to move out of the browser. We're using the Claude Code Terminal because it can interact directly with your computer's file system. Working in the terminal is necessary for the agent to have read and write access to your local drive, essentially turning your machine into the agent's office. We initialize the ghost employee using the GCAO framework: goal, context, action, and output. This structure provides a precise set of instructions that prevents the AI from drifting off task. We use the GCAO prompts to link our recruitment goals to the local folders containing the resumes. We define the target folders and the specific skills the agent needs to identify. Pairing an unrestricted terminal environment with a structured initialization prompt allows the system to run the execution loop without constant human intervention. Now we can trigger the build. We enter our GCAO command into the Claude Code Terminal and let it run. The ghost employee starts immediately. It moves into the local directory housing the 1,000 unread resumes without needing any further direction. You can see the speed of the computation here. The agent is parsing and scoring every application in real time, filtering the noise into a ranked pyramid of the top candidates. During this process, the agent cross-references every resume against the blueprints to ensure each candidate meets the specific requirements of the role. This terminal execution demonstrates that a locally hosted, properly directed AI agent can resolve the heavy lift screening and ranking tasks that typically overwhelm recruitment teams. Look at the final result. Out of 1,000 raw files, the ghost employee generated a structured dashboard showing the top 5 candidates, their match scores, and their extracted skills. A human reviewer would spend roughly 40 hours of admin labor to reach this same level of detail. The terminal achieved it in a few seconds of compute time. I've left the DBS framework templates in the description for free, so you can start building these localized systems on your own machine. For any technical builder, architecting a custom AI operating system provides a scalable way to handle high-volume administrative tasks without increasing your human headcount.
So there you have it. That's the DBS framework for building a real AI employee. The architecture is clear, the potential is absolutely massive. The only real question left is, what's the first bottleneck in your business that you're going to build a system for?
All right, that's the update from the lab for today. I hope you learned something new. Head over to ASCIIgeek.com